Hey everyone, this video is going to be a follow-up to the previous video, part 1. That video was the best Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic bands, replacement bands under $15. And I just have the one here, but I also want to follow up on the Anwear bands, the 3-pack of silicone bands from Anwear. I did call up Amazon and they are willing to refund or replace it, and I asked for the replacement, and the replacement hasn't gotten here yet, and I don't want to wait because I don't, if you guys don't know, my time is very limited. So when the replacement do show up, I'll make a part 3 of the Anwear bands, and maybe I'll order some other ones. In a follow-up video to this one, I'm just waiting for payday because the next band that you guys will see, replacement band for this Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, is going to be one of the more pricier bands. You're talking about close to $100 for that one. So let's get on with the video. Just came in this envelope right here, plastic envelope from Amazon, and then open it up, tear up the envelope, and there you go. So there's the name, GGKing, and it comes in a few colors. This one is I think it's called charcoal black, and then black and gray. So other than this coal black and black gray, which is this one, you also have coal black and navy black. You have coal black and white black. You have black gray and black red. You have black gray and black blue. And then you have black gray and black green. The price on all of them is just right, $12.99 with a 50% coupon to apply at checkout, or just apply the 50% coupon and they'll do it for you at checkout. So I chose this because, number one, like I said, it had the best combination of price. It seemed like it was really good quality, and it got great reviews. Well, 4.4 out of 5 stars on Amazon. And let's open it up and take a look at them. Let's see. So here's the black gray, and here's the black black. And these are probably going to be most likely my daily drivers over the nylon ones because they're easier to put on. That's why I have this black nylon one from Anwear, because it's easier to put on than the ballistic nylon material one. And I'm not sure, but I think they have the same mechanism, which is the spring-loaded pin mechanism. It would have been nice if it were one click, but so there aren't too many one click ones, except for the ones from Samsung themselves. And as you guys saw in the previous video, the metal band that I got from, I can't even say the name right now. So let's take a look at this one, the black gray, and there it is, as you can see. And it's got that, spring-loaded latching mechanism for both. And what I like about this one is that it has a quick buckle system. You don't need to even use this. All it is magnets. And this magnets are pretty strong, as you can see. And then you just adjust it pretty much based on your wrist size. The adjustments you'll be making is through this thing right here. So that tightens it up. Well, it was already loosened, huh? And you lift it up like this, and that's probably tighten it, and then you bring it out more. That'll probably make it more loose, I'm gonna guess. So yeah. So I'm thinking it's gonna go like this. So the only problem with this probably is if you wanted to use your Samsung phone to smart charge, you're not going to be able to do it with this one. like reverse wireless charging, you can do it here, as you can see. And I'll just do that, right, for reverse wireless charging. On this one, I don't think you will be, but let's see. So let's take this off. And just so this video don't take too long, I've already shown you guys in part 1 how to put these on. So we're just gonna stop the video here. I'm gonna put them on and then model this gray one for you, and that's it. We'll see how it looks, because you're already gonna get an idea of how the black is gonna look based off of this, how this one looked, and also based off of this one, because it's almost the same. It only has the gray on the inside. Okay, so here's how I have it installed. There's really no wrong way to put it on. I just decided to have it installed where this part, the magnet part, is this way. But you could also do it the opposite direction, right? So let me see if this adjustment is good. And see what I was talking about with reverse wireless charging. Well, it could probably work if you just do this, maybe. But if you're going to lie your phone flat, that's not going to work, because it's going to do this thing. So yeah, that's the only negative with these kinds of watch. But this is also a lot faster than the buckle or loop and buckle system of these silicone bands, and also the one that came default with the Samsung. So yeah, you just put it around your wrist and then lock it into place right there. And what do you know, I adjusted it spot on. I was pretty good in guessing the adjustment. And so there it is. See? Loosen it up, take it off. You want to tighten it, or you want to let it latch on. All it uses is a magnet system, and there you go. And it's pretty tight and snug. And I usually like mine's a little loose, not too tight, so that my wrist can have breathing room. And not that they won't have breathing room because of these holes. And because of these holes, it's a little bit different, and it gives it more personality than, say, something like this. And you could probably get away with wearing this with casual outfits too, as well as, you know, using it for the gym for working out if you like to work out with your Galaxy Watch. So yeah, that's the whole look right there. The black is pretty much going to be the same, so no issues there. Let's just make sure that the black one that they did send me also has the spring-loaded latching mechanism without any broken button. So yeah, the one right here is good, and the one right there is also good. Okay, so that is it for this video of the part 2, the best replacement bands for the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic under $15. Again, this one from GGKing is $12.99. This is the black and gray and black charcoal, just regular black, all black color version. And if you don't like the understated or muted colors that this one has, you can also get them in different colors. 5 other different colors to be exact. There's green black, blue black, red black, white black, and then of course this one, gray black, and then the black black. And yeah, 2 thumbs up, highly recommended. And that is that for this video. So that is it. Once again, this is the GGKing replacement watch bands for the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic Edition, or it could also fit the Galaxy Watch 6 or the Galaxy Watch 5. Any of the Galaxy Watches from the 4 and the 5 and 6, I think, all have this part right here. It's 20 millimeter, so it'll fit for all of them, I believe. So it's got a good look. It's nice and comfortable. It's breathable because of these holes right here on the band, and it's pretty stylish at the same time. And most importantly, it's good quality, and it's very affordable. $12.99 with a 50% off discount at checkout. and you can get it in 6 different color combinations, all for the same price, $12.99, 50% off coupon. If you guys are interested in this replacement bands for the Galaxy Watch 6, 5, and 4 series probably, please use the links in my description, as it does help out my channel and my charity, the Wounded Warrior Project. And who knows, maybe one day I don't have to work 2 jobs and be real busy. I'll just be able to work 1 job and make more videos for you guys. Anyways, that is it. If you guys haven't already, follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and great workout tips. And also, please like and subscribe, comment, let me know how I'm doing. Till next time, everybody, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, have a wonderful day, and we will see you soon, hopefully soon, in the next video. Take care, everybody.